Hey, scrub. Are you tired of having short, unnurtured hair? Well, look no further.
Well, we have just what you're looking for.
Introducing
Long Hair Repair.
Brought to you by Handheld Hair Products.
Long Hair Repaired is guaranteed to make your hair longer, healthier, and shinier than ever before.
This is Zach, and he's got a problem.
Tired of my bros telling me my short hair ain't bro enough. They keep telling me I'm too masculine. I need to grow out my locks, be more mysterious and stuff. Whoa, bro! What is this?
Go.
That's Long Hair Repair. You want to be more bro-y, Zach?
Yes?
Use it!
Whoa, bro! I feel so mysterious. How much does this stuff cost?
The men's version is only $32.25, but if you're a girl, you get to pay $52.23.
That's so expensive. Why can't I just get the men's version?
Because we know everything, Beatrice, and we will find you. My hair used to look like hers. But after using Long Hair Repair, I have the hair I've always dreamed of.
But wait, there's more.
If you act now and buy a bottle of the women's Long Hair Repair, you'll get a bottle of the men's for free.
www.longhairrepair.com.
Order your share of long hair today.
Woo! Call 1-800-FIX-HAIR. That's 1-800-349-4247. Call 1-800-FIX-HAIR. That's 1-800-39-4247.
Long Hair Repair is guaranteed to make your hair healthier and long hair.
Maybe you should.
Tired of my bros telling me my hair ain't bro enough. Keep telling me I'm too masculine and my locks need to grow out. Duh. Tired of my bros telling me my hair ain't bro enough. They keep telling me that I need to. God. Okay, hang on. Game 3. Tired of my bros telling me my short hair ain't bro enough. They keep telling me I'm too masculine and my red locks need to grow them out and just be more.
What? That's long hair.
It's going ham. It's like a photo shoot.
Go.
If you act now, you can get a bottle of the women's. I almost said deodorant.
Yeah, deodorant.
What? That was so stupid.
Long Hair Repair.